Darling Abu. Once again, I'm Maria Isabel Orgulio and I'm about to report the retirement bill. Retirement benefits an employee who is retired pursuant to a qualified retirement to plan or a collective agreement or established employer policies shall be entitled to all retirement benefits, provided therein or to termination fee equivalent to at least one half month salary. So every year of services, which ever is higher, a fraction of at least 6 months being considered as one whole year, where both the employer and the employee contribute to the retirement plan agreement or policy. The employer's total termination pay to which the employee would have been entitled had there been no such retirement plan. In case the employer's contribution is less than the termination pay the employee is entitled to receive, the employer shall pay the deficiency upon the retirement of the employee. And now, let's proceed to the rules implementing the new retirement rule. Republic of 7641. Pursuant to the provisions of Article 287 of the Labor Code as amended by Republic Act 7641 is hereby issued. As a Section 1, General Statement on Coverage, these rules shall apply to all employees in the private sector, regardless of disposition, designation, or status, and irrespective of the method by which their wages are paid, except to those specially exempted. Section 2, Exemptions. This rule shall not apply to the following employees. First, employees of the national government and its political subdivision. Second, domestic helpers in persons in the person, personal services of another. And the third one is the employees of retail services and agricultural establishments or operations regularly employing not more than 10 employees.